pretend that you don't see that mess. You're gonna get your cup. This is how you make banana milk.
Baby.
Okay, everybody has a dirty countertop sometimes.
No.
Yeah! And then you put the banana in there. Actually, you get 2 bananas. Okay. 2 bananas is better. In a big cup. Not a little cup. Put it in your cup.
You didn't cut the teeth.
It's... Oops. Okay, so after you get the bananas in a cup, then you're going to mash them with a fork. This only takes about 2 or 3 minutes. Not even, like, just mash them up with a fork. Alright, so now they're goopy with a few chunks. Yummy. And then you get your milk. Oops. Sorry. And pour it in there. Fill it up. Told you a big cup. Because you need to be big enough for the bananas and the milk. And mix that baby up. Drink. Are you recording? Cheers. Uh-oh. That did not turn out right, but it's okay. It doesn't have to be a perfect video. It was good. You gotta try it. God bless you guys, and read your Bible. For God so loved the world that he gave his only son, that whosoever believes in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life. Bye.